Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, it's another day, it's another vlog. And sorry guys, I haven't vlogged for a long time, but this is almost more than 2 months that I haven't vlogged. And my last video was regarding my resignation from OYO. It was all torturous job, so let's forget about that and have a good beginning. And by the way, all these 3 months, almost 3 months, I was enjoying preparing for my sister's wedding, which is on Sunday, and that would be fun. And my cousins also come from Kashmir, and here one of my cousins is with me. He's Ayan.
Hi.
And we are doing a lot of preparations. My house is getting decorated. We all are having fun. And second part is today we were driving all around in Chennai, and here people were protesting for a good cause. The good cause was nothing but it is Jallikattu, which was banned by PETA. PETA is an organization here in India where they take care of animals. They actually want animals to be leading a good life. So that's how the organization was started actually. And now now BJP government has also joined with them, saying they have to ban Jallikattu. Jallikattu is nothing but it's a Tamil word for bullfight, where it is being organized here in Tamil Nadu and other southern Indian states on the occasion of a festival which is called Pongal, which happens on 14th of Jan to 16th of Jan. And the main cause of this festival is to celebrate farmers and make them feel good. Basically, the reason for the festival is that. Plus, belated New Year, guys. I haven't made a vlog for New Year, neither the Christmas and Pongal as well. So this was this is going to be a little bit long vlog where I'm going to talk about many things, my experiences with various things. Basically, starting from my experience after OYO, still my settlement has been pending. Many things are pending actually from OYO still, and people are not responding to that. So that's they want to make it more torturous, I guess. So let it be. And a few of friends commented on my previous video who were working with OYO, supporting the manager. He did the good, I was bad. Maybe, I don't care. But the thing is, perception of various people would be different. So that's how it is going to be. So we cannot help that. But my aim and my goals for this new year would be this thing. First, now I am jobless, so I had to find a good job first. Though I can manage my living, I have that much money to manage myself. But still, I need to get going, so I need to have a good job. Whereas business, I told you in my previous vlogs that I would like to have a car service center in India, and I'm car buff. So obviously yes. So the service center is my dream, and someday I would start it, and that would be better for all the people than the regular service centers or current service centers that are present in India and other places of India too. And my third thing is buy a proper vlogging camera. That's the most important thing that I've been talking since the day I started vlogging. Whereas I'm vlogging on my phone cam, that's why I'm not able to record each and every moment that I'm going to do or where I go and do. So coming to the protest, it is happening all over Chennai. It's going amazing, and salute to those guys who are been supporting the protest. I'm not able to join them due to the wedding in my house happening. So I need to be at home, help my parents, relatives and stuff, and my cousins are also helping me on that. So that's how it is. And today we bought few stuffs for the wedding, and I'll show you in some time how my house has got decorated. Here now we are roaming around in my near to my house with my cousin. He's from Kashmir actually, and he's doing his 12th, right?
Yeah, 12th.
12th, okay. Yeah, so that's how it is. And still I've got few good offers for job, but let me join after sister marriage, because as soon as I join, I won't be able to have a holiday. So this would be a good break for me. So that's how it is. And keep supporting, guys. Though I have 15 subscribers, yes, this is another important point that I wanted to have. That is having subscribers. Basically, once I upload a video on YouTube, I need to have good subscribers. That's when the thing goes. And in this meantime, this 2-3 months, I've saw many people in a short period of time having 30,000. One guy has 2 lakh subscribers here in India. That's unbelievable. Exactly. And I started following few more channels and learned how to log, how to learn things. I would be perfect. Yes, people made fun of me. People will be making fun of me for these vlogs, and some people appreciate it also. That's the main thing. My uncle saw when he came. I showed him this is my channel and this is how YouTube works. And sorry guys, there was a call, so the vlog got cut. So now I was talking about the YouTuber, and she follows YouTube a lot. She follows the channels that I'm talking about. She was talking about Movlog, she was talking about Shanice, she was talking about Love Rudraks. These are now being very famous here in India now, especially Sham Idris, who is from Canada. And there is one more vlog, Nilesh V from Delhi. So there are many vlogs. And now we can see my house getting decorated with lights, serial lights actually. It may not be clear. It will take time to get clear. I'll get a little bit closer view and stop for a while. Maybe my camera would capture it properly.
Yeah, it's captured properly.
1 second, let me try it now. I hope you're getting the view of those lights. Here during live, it's looking amazing, but I don't know how it's looking on camera. I need to check on that. Yeah. Camera, I was talking about the vlogging camera, so I will be buying. I should be buying soon, and the subscriber part also I should be thinking a lot. And the most important thing is Oscar. So guys, लोगों को भी introduce कराएंगे. We will introduce them. So sorry for again another break. My uncle had come, so I didn't want to embarrass him by YouTubing in front of him. So that's one thing. So now other cousins of mine are arriving here. She's Mehjabeen. She's the one who is watching videos on YouTube a lot, and she had saw my videos as well, and she liked few of them. And he's another cousin of mine. He's Inam, elder brother of Ayan. Say hi.
Hi.
So here it goes.
I'm saying hi too.
So guys, so this vlog was regarding all those year plans. So let's hope for the best. Keep supporting, keep liking my videos, and keep subscribing. And there is one more cousin of mine who has joined this vlog, and her name is Jannat. She's also belongs to the same family. And here he's a cute kid. He's my niece. His name is Ryan. Ryan, aja idhar, aja. Daddy. He also loves cars like me. Once he comes, directly holds steering. The first thing he holds is car steering, and he wants to drive. So we will go for a ride now, but we need to take those things also. So you are going to carry. उठाते ना चीजें, उठा के ऊपर लेके जाएंगे ना? हाँ या ना? हाँ नहीं? हाँ नहीं? हाँ बोलो, हाँ बोलो. हाँ, okay. Chalo guys, so I'll wrap up this vlog from here, and I hope I'll be vlogging from regularly from today, and I promise for that, and I watch for that. And keep do remember me in your device, and keep subscribing and liking my videos. Thank you.